In today's world, online learning has become part of everyday life. Hello there, and welcome. Want to learn WordPress? Or become a better WordPress designer? Or developer? We make learning WordPress easy, no matter the skill level or experience. WordPress is used worldwide on thousands of websites, by businesses large and small. Learn WordPress from the comfort of your home or office. With one-on-one, online instruction, you'll learn WordPress in record time and save thousands on website development fees. We know learning to use new software can sometimes be a bit of a challenge. We use the latest screen sharing technology for online learning. We break this process down in easy to understand steps. Here's where you'll learn WordPress theme installation and configuration, plugin installation and configuration, WooCommerce, and much more. Challenge yourself to learn something new. Sign up today, learn more, or get started at learnwordpress.quantumcomputingsolutions.com.